And it goes a little something like.
You all summer and after fall, I'll keep you.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste.
Hello, my darlings. My name is Sim Tandile on the Instagram streets. I'm known as Home with Sim, and this is my YouTube channel. Ooh, where do I start? I'm so sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I really disappear on you guys. The problem is this vlogging thing is not as easy as it seems. And sometimes I really think, this vlog because, I'm literally just at home most of the time. I don't shop often. So it's difficult to put together vlogs. It's much more difficult than I thought. But namhlanje, I just got home from work. It's not this cold in Durban, ne? This is like extreme, I don't know, winter dress. But the office is usually extremely cold, so I dress for the office. I don't dress for Durban weather. It's not that cold. It's not that cold. But today, ta-da! Ooh, so when this arrived, I was so excited, and I realized that I was surrounded by young people when I went to collect this at reception. It was just, so I was like, these are the things that you get excited about when you're over the age of 30. Let me get scissors. Let's unbox this, and then we're gonna clean. Well, it's gonna clean. This is a robot vacuum cleaner. It's Bennett Reed. I didn't know what brand to buy. If you know me and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been wanting one of these for a while, because my cleaning lady deserves a break. And by cleaning lady, I'm referring to myself, because I clean this house. So I bought it on takealot.com. And I guess I trust Bennett Reed because my mom's got a Bennett Reed microwave. My current vacuum cleaner is Bennett Reed. I don't have anything I haven't had any bad experiences with Bennett Reed, so Ibakastile. I hope it's easy to use because wow. Hey boo. Ooh. Okay, it's nice and small, I guess. Okay, let's figure out how to use this. I haven't swept the floor in about 5 days, so we'll see how this goes. Let's figure out how to use it and just get started, Jim. I'm ready. I've been ready for like a year. Ooh. What is this? Okay. Kuningi. It's like a little brush. Oh, guys. Lento encane kanje izoshanyela. Like this is going to be sweeping and hooving and vacuuming. These look very small. Okay, so I've already placed that in there. This one goes in here. And there's a spare set. Guess I can change those out. Okay. Jeez, so this is how you fit the filter. Pull here and then pull. Push and pull. Okay, so there's already a filter in here. I don't actually have to replace it. Okay. So that goes in there. I hope you can see. Whenever I watch my vlogs, I'm just like, oh, people can't see the unboxings properly. People, hey, guys. Okay, I think I'm ready. I'm going to download the app a bit later. I'm actually feeling a bit hot. Like I said, this is like a winter dress for office winter because Durban is not this cold. So I'm going to use it on manual mode. I hope the battery life is okay because I haven't charged it before using it. I just realized though that this one only vacuum cleans. There are robot vacuum cleaners that vacuum and mop. So I don't know if I should change it or if I should just keep it as it is. Yeah, the ones that mop are probably more expensive. But let's see.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my duvet on solid ground.
And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared. I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine for you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I want to do.
Why is it not starting? What? Oh, baby. I don't understand. Why aren't you moving straight though? Ooh! What? Where are you going? Jeez, I don't even clean in there. Look, it scratched itself. Injury on duty. Sweetie. I don't understand the Bizwangan. I don't know. I feel like it should be going straight across, straight back, straight across, straight back. I think there's a way to control it on the app, but I just decided to be excited, Moss. Waskis. Are you okay, my cleaning lady? Are you okay, Mavis? Ooh. Ay, ay, ay. I'm back. Mavis is still busy. I'm very unsure about the direction here because she's now where she should have started, where I feel like she should have started, but it's fine. I'm also not sure when, like if she knows whether she's done or not, Angas. But let's give her some time. I'm gonna go look at her. I don't know why she's not leaning against the wall at Abui, but anyway, it's fine. So also what I didn't do is I didn't download the app. I'm gonna download the app and then I'm gonna take her to my bedroom and then select a mode that I think she should take, like the direction or something, because you can choose that on the app. But I didn't download the app because I was excited. Yeah, I shall let you know. There's one spot that she's just not getting to.
Summer days, they go shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you. The leaves change their color, fall is closing in. Break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down, wish I just could stop. Maybe I wouldn't care if I could suffocate my feelings for you. And I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Oh, leaves change their color and fall is closing in. Break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down. Just wish I could. Wish I could stop time. Stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. When the leaves change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down.
And that is it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Let's speak a little bit about the robot vacuum cleaner. I think when it comes to cleaning up a space that's got a little bit of fluff, some hair lying around, and all of those things. It's really good. The sense of direction is not great in my books, in my experience. I feel like it doesn't get to every single nook and cranny, but maybe like a 5, 6 out of 10, depending on the space that you have. If you are the type of person that has a lot of things in your space, like, several side tables, you have a coffee table that has legs that run across the floor or on the floor, you are going to struggle because the vacuum cleaner is going to keep getting stuck, right? So I guess that's a little bit of a downside. You need to move everything out of its way, or as much as you can out of its way. And that's a bit of a job in itself. But I think it's worth it on the whole, right? So when it comes to this specific robot vacuum cleaner, I did return it yesterday because I just felt like I want something that vacuums and mops, and also it didn't get to every corner the way I wanted it to. So in all, I think I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. Don't trash it. Don't bash it till you buy it, or bash it till you try it. What's the English? But definitely, I think it's worth it if you're in a space like mine that doesn't get extremely dirty, but you have some fluff and dust and hair here and there, and you just need some extra help with cleaning. So I hope that helped. I am going to get another vacuum cleaner, robot vacuum cleaner that sweeps, and also what is this? That also mops. So I do want the mopping and the vacuuming function together. I think that's gonna make my life so much easier, because it doesn't quite make sense for me to have a robot but it's only vacuuming and then I must still come back and mop, So yeah, that's it. Go get yourself a vacuum cleaner. If you're the type of person that has like pets and you've got a lot of hair all over the floor, you've got fluff or dust, a lot of dust and fluff in your space, and you just want something that's gonna vacuum, not necessarily mop, then definitely go get yourself one. But if you're like me and you want mopping and vacuuming, don't buy that specific robot vacuum cleaner. But it's a good one. Shame, it does what it's supposed to do. And yeah, I think I've spoken enough. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share and do all of those wonderful things. I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.
Wanna waste my